You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. Yes, what's up? What's happening? Warren Buffett's live right now on CNBC. This is the first time I've spoken this morning. My voice sounds like hot garbage. Trying to fight this thing off. If you're with me in the Kick, in the YouTube, in the Twitter chat, say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. WL or mid too. Let's see. There we go. Full Tilt Futures, Candlestick, Michael Benham, Kurt, Nor Punisher, Richard Harris in the building, Meek Panda, Ron's, John Amos, Prime Cap, Dust, TW, Bear Goes Long, Big How. Did you check my my Instagram? Robinho, Kotax, good morning, RL, Devstrays, Day Trader Rick, Video Kingdom. What's cracking it? What is cracking it and happening? What's up, Yash, Gunny Trades, Dev. What's up, Warren Buffett speaking. The markets are bullish. War is over. Maybe. We'll see. Apex is 90% off if you missed the news. Let me get this updated here at the bottom of my screen. Big sale for Apex right now. 90% off. It's the biggest they've ever done for these new accounts. I gotta buy my accounts. I haven't had time. I'm trying to do as much as possible. Put out the morning memo this morning. Try to get some sleep. I haven't even done my Whoop journal yet. What's up, Future Zone? Push with a pull. Ruski Power says, just passed my first eval with Tradeify. How long to activate? Funded. Last trade yesterday, 3:15. We're going to have an announcement about Tradeify in about 52 minutes. I will say this, it's never been a better time to be a prop firm trader. Having all of these companies competing with each other, jockeying for the number one spot is the best thing ever for traders. It's absolutely unbelievable. Apex raised their prices so 90% isn't as great? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Let's see if I can catch a little motion here, since we are just squeezing above these 400s here. Catching a little bit of this motion. No, don't come back down, you dirty bitch. Nice little squeeze here. A little pop and squeeze. I want to see us continuing this squeeze up over these 430s if possible. I got on 7 contracts right now. Apple is Berkshire's single largest investment, so we saw a pop in Apple off that. I would like to see this pushing back and trading out those 430s if possible. Right now we're just holding the line underneath 420. Don't like that. See if we can get any kind of hold above these 400s now. Yeah, they're fighting this thing. They are fighting it. That's for sure. Yeah, bummer. Stopped out. Damn. That was violent. Jesus. God, how annoying is that? Alrighty. Off to Apex we go. Good Lord. Okay, sounds good. I guess I'll go fuck myself. Oh, you know, just 100 handled rejection. Start the morning. Yeah, sure, I'll go fuck myself. No problem. Sounds good. Sounds great. Lovely. Sweet. Fucking awesome trade. All right, let me buy some AVEX accounts. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Love it when the market does that. Great follow through, great comms. Totally awesome. Apex did raise prices. What are the prices now? Hold on. What are you guys all talking about? What are the fucking prices now? Can I buy 20 at once now, at least? What a shock. An Iran headline fucked us. God damn it. That's what it was. I don't know why I didn't get that squawk until now, though. That's fucking retarded. So annoying. Evals are $5 more. Let me see. God, that's so fucking annoying, dude. Literally 100 handle rejection from the top. Like, it's fucking so annoying, dude. I'm so annoyed by that. That's just so fucking stupid. God. Yeah, I see that. He's doing it right now. Like, just bad fucking timing, dude. I thought only thing we were dealing with was fucking annoying. We are not pulling assets from the Strait of Hormuz. Okay, great. Fantastic. Yeah. War is not over. There you go. New headline. How fucking annoying, dude. I just wanted a fucking single, just a nice little dinger. I did not expect this fucking, good lord. Yeah, this is crazy. All right. Let me buy my Apex account. You can't buy 20 at once still. So literally the opposite of everything that I was saying this morning. If you follow me. Literally the opposite. War is not over. War is just beginning. I mean, dude, I thought we were having some fucking beautiful continuation breakout. Retest 430. Gonna go for the previous day open. Yeah. Nope. Well, that sucks. That was painful. Okay. I wish I would like been doing something and missed that fucking trade, because then I would have nailed that short. Man. So tilting. I have no voice. Also tilting. Buying 20 accounts. Also tilting. It was funny because like we were up in the trade too, like instantly up, and then I was just adding into the pullback as you do. And oh man, can't make that up. All right, I will be trading as soon as I get these accounts active. I have my Lucid accounts, I guess. You know what? Fuck it. Take a pause from buying those accounts. Dude, why is my copy thing not here? What the fuck now? Jesus Christ. First time I've loaded it. Oh, because I didn't do my copy yet on these pros. On the funded. Derp. God forbid I get a little sleep when I'm sick and everything just falls apart. Jesus. All right. Going for shorts here in this. Going for shorts, baby. Oh, nice. We found the bottom. Perfect. Mm-hmm. It's going to be one of those days, I'm assuming. Did we just find the bottom? I think we did. Sweet. I don't know. This is so absurd. Oh my God, there's green on my screen. Is it broken? There's green on my screen? Hold on, is that an error? See if we can get these 300s here. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. This is so tilting. Dude, you gotta be joking me. Nice. Killing it this morning. Fucking lovely. Awesome. We found the bottom. Locked in. Fucking locked in. Found the bottom, guys. Alright, back to buying Apex accounts. Just fucking love it. Okay. It's so funny. Like, oh wait, yeah, I have Lucid accounts. I should trade those. All right, cool. We found the bottom. Perfect. Cannot make it up. Cannot make it up, dude. Oh yeah, we have Lucid accounts to trade. All right, let me short and follow continuation. Oh, that's the bottom. Got it. Perfect. Awesome. It's too funny, man. It's so funny. I couldn't just hesitate for a little bit longer and be like, oh shit, we're reversing. Let me long this. Fucking crash. Oh, Jesus. Anybody having a morning like me? I'm having a great morning. This is absurd. How do I find the fucking exact top, exact bottom? You gotta be a fucking skilled trader to do that. Jesus Christ. Yep, brand new Lucid, brand new Advanced. Both funded accounts. Both fucking cracked off like that. Those are both funded accounts. My funded accounts that I have. I literally identified the exact top of the market and the exact bottom of the market and went the exact opposite. Fucking unreal. That's crazy, bro. That's fucking crazy. That's brilliant. Fucking brilliant, bro. Love it. That's insane, bro. That's actually insane. I found the exact top, exact bottom. I crushed. I was like, nah, no. Don't trade when you're sick. What's my fucking recovery? It's got to be like fucking 5%. Wow, 7% recovery. No way. Never saw that one coming. Great morning. Alrighty, let's do some Apex. Let's see. Cool. So we have our 20 accounts here. I think that's 20. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, cool. That is 20. Alright. Let's try. Oh, that's not selected anything. Perfect. Good start. Awesome. Cool. There we go. I'd like one trade to be not the reversal point today. Every trade we've taken has been the reversal point. Pretty wild. See if we can get flushing through 45s here. Alright, that's a crime. Let's flush 45s. See if we can break back below 50s. Doesn't look like it, but we'll try. What a morning, huh? We've gotten every single reversal point of the market so far. Somehow, some way. Don't know how. All right, cool. Nice. Another winner. We found every single reversal point in the market today. Taking the opposite side on every single one. It's awesome. I love it. Killing it. You guys have any success in this market? Because I certainly am not. There's just nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing working for me. I cannot nail a single trade this morning. Loser, loser, loser. I don't know what's happening. I'm literally identifying every single area of the market that we get a reversal. I can't time it any worse. I'm not really sure what's going on. It's crazy. I was long here, I was short here, and I was short here. It's just fucking crazy. It's so crazy. It's crazy. I don't know what else I could trade. What else do I have? I think that's it. That's pretty much it. I don't know what else to trade. Guess I could try some alpha advanced. Jesus fucking Christ, what is happening? What the fuck is happening, dude? Bro, what the fuck is happening? This is crazy. This is nuts. This is nuts, bro. What do we have at the bottom of the hour? Let's see. No shit. Dude, Trump just said in a CBS interview, not much more has to happen for us to declare victory. Dude, what the fuck is happening, bro? This is ridiculous. You're getting literally fucking... what the fuck is going on, bro? Ready? Hey guys, this is how it worked this morning. Hold on. War is completely over. War is completely over. War is just getting started. War is just getting started. War is over. War is just getting started. War is over. What the fuck? Holy shit. And then we have all these fucking YouTube that are revealing themselves getting banned left and right. It's fucking hilarious. All these people that are sucking my dick for giveaways and then today saying that I'm the worst trader on planet Earth. Holy shit. Oh no! Dude. Oh god, yes. Fuck yeah, he's fucking losing. Finally, I've been waiting years for this day. Oh, fuck yeah. Fucking love it. Finally, that fucking guy I hate watch every day, he's red. Fuck yes. Oh god, yes, I fucking hate this piece of shit. It's so funny. Anyway, all right, let's try some fucking... Back to Eval Town we go. So funny, dude. Hate watching this motherfucker. That's funny though. I hope they took every trade you took. I mean, I don't want to see people losing. I really don't. But it's just funny how fucking weird people are. Holy shit, bro. Those people that are the angriest are the ones who are struggling the most, but it is what it is. Doesn't affect me. You don't think that I'm trying on every trade, like you think, like, yes, I'm trying to lose on these trades, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm a news trader. War is over. War is just getting started. War is over. War is just getting started. War is now over. Like, that literally just happened. Like, I'm sorry that I can't trade around that. My apologies. Jesus Christ. I don't think that anybody could if they're a news trader. Like, that's fucking bonkers, bro. And it's not like it was planned, you know? Like, this snap reaction was on the war is over. This was on the war is over. This is on war is just getting started. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that. Ribs, I'm a fan. I'm not going to lie, on your last trade, I paid you in half passing bell. I love that, man. Like, that's great. You should see how many dipshits RibSpot had to block. It's crazy. It's funny to see all these people come out of the woodwork because they just sit there and they hate watch every single day, and then they come out of the woodwork and they're like, yeah, fuck you. Fucking got him. It's so funny. Love it. It's just a weird way to live. Like, why are you so miserable, bro? What are you so upset about your own life for? So weird. Talking out of both sides of your mouth. Let's see this guy. Me? Talking about me, or are you talking about Trump? I don't know what you're talking about. What do you look at book about before taking trades? The structure, the size of the orders, stacked orders, the activity of pulling and stacking orders. I wish you bring these retards on straight. Dude, you know, it's funny, like in the past when I was more active on Twitter, I would see these people. Dude, there were some of them that were like trying to be streamers. There were some of them that were like recording their trades and putting them on YouTube, and it's exactly what you would expect. It was just like abomination. Oh, the administration, yeah. I was like, me? Or identify icebergs after so much. I mean, you don't have to identify them by hand. You can use an iceberg indicator. The MBO package will tell you when there's an iceberg order. There's something that the CME does now where they actually show you a stop order and an iceberg order. It's the only market that you can actually do this versus the regular equities market. Like the NASDAQ or the NYSE where stocks are traded, they don't show you that stuff. So it's a huge benefit of being a futures trader is that you get to see icebergs. What the hell? What? See a short of some guy explaining how he made 26K in 5 minutes. He gambled 10 evals on news, explaining it like an actual strategy. That's not a strategy. The hell is an iceberg order? It's a way to hide size. Most institutions don't put orders in advance. They algorithms execute them on the spot and the price hits the level, so you never know when they hit. Yeah, those are called synthetic icebergs. So there's synthetic orders like that, but then there's also actual iceberg orders. Rip started following you 2 weeks ago, and goddamn, I gotta say thank you. I've implemented some of your strategy in my own, and what a difference it has made. I'm a scalper. And was always made to feel like a shithead for it. Thanks for doing what you do, making it okay to find success is a different way. For sure, man. When is Alpha CEO coming on? Later in the week, because I'm sick. I don't want to do the interview when I'm sick. I don't know if you could tell. I usually don't sound like this. The absolute amount of garbage in the trading space is ridiculous. There's always the vulnerable who get pulled into it. I think, yeah, there's a lot of just anger. God, now we're trading higher than we were. God damn it. Okay, guys, I'm going to do this stupid thing and try a fucking breakout long here. I guess this is stupid, but hey, war is over, right? Let's see on this pullback. Jamie Dimon just said on Fox News, it's important that the Iran war gets successfully completed. trying to be cautious given what happened last time, but we should have continuation through 450 on this. All right, I'm in. Pullbacks to 400 would be welcome because I can add to it, but we should have an exchange and continue to blow out. There's a lot of fucking news coming out right now too. Okay, watching 400s here. Adding. Want to see a breakout of 20s here? Want to see continuation above these 20s now? That's violent. Still think we should break out above 450 here. Okay. Or just keep ping-ponging 20s. What's it? There's nothing even at the 20s. What the hell? Tomorrow on April Fool's, the war's over for real. Could be. That might be the plan, right? Now they're blocking 15s. Let's see. Meta is at a flat top breakout area too. Hexa still talking too. It's running on fumes here. And stop that. Just running on fumes, just straight down. I don't know. We continue to buy every single reversal point, sell every single reversal point. Yeah. Faded straight back down. No, definitely not the Percy. With my trading this morning, that would be a great way to lose 100 grand. I know, I should have just pressed the opposite button of what I wanted to do. Except this finally done. Okay, well now we're gonna go up. That's perfect. Yeah, we get end of month flows, but I mean, this is speaking. Tradeify 3.0 we'll talk about in 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Do we now have to pass the Apex challenges in a month? Yeah, 30 days. Dude, that's so true, SJ. Hike Seth is finished. The war is over and won, and it's still ongoing, so prepare for more strikes, but it's over, but it's also still going on. It's kind of the morning this morning. It's kind of crazy. Didn't realize it. This is fucking crazy. This has been a while since I've seen an 8 o'clock day like that. That's crazy. When does the Lucid 50% off end? Tomorrow, actually. Tomorrow. I think it ends tomorrow. Redbug retail sales are out. Yeah, the music's nice. Here we go driving. Anybody long in this market? I still think we're gonna get that breakout. Nice. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. Probably wait for the market open to trade because this is crazy. It's got to be the end of month rebalance too. Yeah, this music's nice. This music's a vibe right now. Vibing with it for sure. Millennium this weekend, yep. Going on Friday. Oh, stoked. Woo! I'm so sick right now. Jesus. Woo! Book map settings, just turn off vertical smoothing. Dude, I just... where... We have 4,000 people watching right now. What the hell's going on? Can we have you 4,000 people come at a different day when I'm not dying over here? God. Can we have that happen when I'm not getting smoked? Jesus. What a great day to tune in for the first time. CTST4? I don't know what that is. Excuse me. All right. Let's get through this. Let's get through this. Open together. Let's fucking do it. Okay. Yeah, I hope I get better soon too. This is annoying. Yeah, I'll tell about Tradeify in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We are coming. We are coming down here. Back to the previous 4-hour high. Thank you, Mr. World. Appreciate it. And so we pulled back underneath 400 and we found some motion there. We're pushing back up. Yep, Lucid has new stuff coming too. That's why I said the competition in the prop firm space is like really, really good for us. It's very good for traders. Wow, what a rip there off those lows. Anybody catch that? Nice pullback, nice rip. Really nice rip. I can't talk about it for 8 minutes, dude. I'm one of the few partners that actually follows the rules. I'm not permitted to talk about it until 9 a.m. Eastern time. So just following the rules, brother. Got lucky first trade today, boner count. I wish that was me. I'm jealous. Nice work. Yep, 90% off right now. Apex is 90% off. And then we'll talk about Tradeify here in 5 minutes. After staring at screens for 3 years, I already need glasses. How are your eyes still fine for 12 years? I don't know. I've been on a computer since I was 4. So I've always been on a computer. You should see my handwriting. It's terrible. My handwriting is so god-awful. Damn, we are just range trader's dream right now. It's crazy. Nope, I'm in Vegas. This guy's going ham on this pan flute. What a song. Yep, it's 5:55 in the morning. I woke up at 2. I got 2.5 hours of sleep last night because I was sick and I've been sick. But here I am on the stream for you guys to hang. When you take a trade, what time frame do you use on your charts? It depends. For top-down analysis, I go H4, H1, M30, M15, M5, M3, M1. In that order. Activation fees. Is it $125? Like, where are you guys finding these prices? I need to find these prices, dude. Forgot to look. I can't. Apex already gone. Fucking A, dude. I don't know where I would find the PA prices or anything. I guess here, hold on. I guess I could go in like the help section or something. Yeah, last night's Globex was fire, dude. So much fun. Wow, we're going straight down. I mean, I guess this just has to be end of month flows because there's no headlines that are doing this that I'm hearing, at least, because fuck this was the worst one for me because this headline was fucking delayed for me. So maybe there is a headline. I don't know why, but maybe just everything's, I don't know. But I don't hear a headline for this right now. I think this is just end of month flows. Let me see if I can find in their help center what the cost is and everything. Let's see, hold on. End of day. PAs. Is PA activation fee. Okay. It's not saying anything. PA activation. Oh, okay, hold on. There's the pricing. It's on their fucking website. I'm in the help section, so. Okay, FHFA housing price index coming out in 45 seconds. End of day trailing. Okay, so where are you guys saying that it's more expensive? $159. What was it before? $99 for all accounts? Thank you, It used to be $99, so now it's $159 for the 150Ks. Okay. Damn, market's getting fucking schmacked. Fuck. I don't want to... Dude, I like don't want to trade it because it's like, I swear to God, I will reverse the market. Everybody should fade every single one of my trades today. I'm not even trolling. Like, I just have, my market sense is completely fucked up. New to prop firms, you have a beginner's guide or can go over it just a little. All the videos on my YouTube tend to go over it. Daily Clash. Today was one of those mornings, if you faded every trade I took, you would have been a billionaire. Like, dude, I've been not able to read this market. Terrible trading by me. Terrible trading. But I'm happy to go over any questions that you have, Daily Clash. It's basically a way that you can trade with very little commitment of capital. So for instance, like Apex, you need an account for $19 for an evaluation. There's a target that you have to hit on that, right? Which account size, JG? Hey, Roast, what does a white boy like me got to do to get you to check your DMs from Convictions Trading on Instagram? I mean, I tried to. I have a shit ton of DMs, man. I try to get to as many as possible. If you have a long question, yeah, you can DM me on Instagram. I can't make any promises on when I'll get to responding to it. I have a shit ton of unanswered DMs. I use Global Plus, but all you need is Global for Bookmap. You won the account last week? Nice. 150K, let's see. End of day or trailing? Or end of day or intraday? Okay, we can talk about, okay. All right, Tradeify now. We can talk about Tradeify. Okie dokie, here we go. We can talk about Tradeify finally. So, they now have Rhythmic and TradeC. That is a huge one. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so TradeC and Rhythmic are live. There's Tradeify Elite Live now, which is a brand new live trading program with a performance reward pool. You earn extra rewards on top of your profits. You can earn up to $90,000 across multiple accounts. So it allows users to make back some or even more than the sim profits they had before moving to live, which is big, right? That was a huge complaint from people. For monthly rewards, you hit 5 profitable days plus profit, greater than the drawdown to unlock the payouts from that pool for your live account. There's a lower barrier of entry because I have 25K accounts now. Select 25K are only 109 or 65 if you're doing flex or daily payouts. The growth are 25K. There's only one-time purchases. So there's no more subscriptions. No more subscriptions. Right? It's one-time purchases only. No more subscriptions. You can activate your funded account immediately now. So it's just like how Lucid has it. There's no more waiting. That's a big deal. We were talking about that last night, how cool it was to be able to activate my stuff like I do on Lucid. So it looks like, and again, I talked about this at the top of the stream before I started losing every trade that I took. The best part about having all these prop firms right now, like the top prop firms, we're talking about your Apexes, your Tradeifys, your Top Steps, your TPTs, your Lucids, the top players in the space are all jockeying for your attention right now. So all of the savings, all of the good trading rules, all of the good technology is being passed to you as the trader. I disagree when people are like, oh, the prop firm era was so much better back then. Because people are talking about like, oh, uncapped payouts and all this bullshit. It's like, dude, how many people who are actually getting that big of payouts are very, very slim? Like, if you can consistently build your accounts up, not trade how I did this morning, basically. If you can consistently build up your accounts with base hits, there's never been a better time to be a prop firm trader. The cost for entry is very, very low. The rewards are very, very high. The technology is getting better and better every single day. The trading journal is now going to activate your trades instantly. So there's no more waiting. It's a brand new look in the journal. There's a whole new UI revamp where it's all real time now. So Tradeify is going all real time, getting TradeC, dropping their prices. It's all very good stuff. Very, very good stuff. The current sale that they're doing right now, I want to show this. To launch Tradeify 3.0. Right here. So 40% off on the new 25K accounts, $59 or $65. There's no monthly fee. There's no monthly fee. You can do up to 5 uses per customer, 40% off. So if you're looking to get started with Tradeify, you never tried them before, Code Rips will get you $59 or $65 if you want. The other part of that is they're also doing, not just on the new 25K accounts, right? But they're also doing, not just on the 25K, you can use 5 uses of Code Rips, 40% off every account, every single account. So if you want to go for a bigger account, like a Lightning funded account, every single account right now is 40% off. Okay? 40% off. So that's the launch of Tradeify 3.0. Just to give you the cliff notes here. The quick cliff notes. There's no more subscription. It's a real-time dashboard with a real-time journal. It's instant funded activation. There's new 25K growth and select plans. And you get more benefit in being a live trader now. You can unlock up to $90,000 in rewards if you get put to live, which will be more than if you built up a balance, right? I don't think you could build up a balance that big, but like, let's say you built up a balance of like 25K. You can get still $90,000 of rewards. So there you have it. That's the new Tradeify 3.0. It's going to be, again, like I said, the competition that we're seeing in the space right now is very good. It's very, very good. logging in here to the new Tradeify experience. Yeah, it looks great. Fantastic. Is there an activation fee? I think there is still an activation fee. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, they have trade fees, so I'm definitely gonna trade on them. All right, we have 22 minutes until the market opens. 22 minutes. Let's see what we can do. If we can get a little filthy here. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We are back. We are back. Alrighty. Let's see what happens off the open. I think that we can probably be patient and wait for the open. I think that's probably fair. All right, so let's do that. What's the difference in price between Saudi oil and Brent? No clue. I'm not an oil trader. I don't pretend to be. You're getting over a terrible cough? Oh man, yeah. I'm getting smoked right now with my health. What should I trade on Tradeify, guys? What do you want to see me trade? What would you like to see me buy? I have no accounts in Tradeify right now. I'm gonna get 5 accounts. Fartcoin? I don't think you can trade Fartcoin on Tradeify. Lightning? Can you get paid same day? No, I don't. Isn't it 5 days? Oh. Select, right? I should do the select accounts. All right, let's do select. Select 150K. Trade C, there we go. $150K trade C. Okay. Got one. Okay, select 150K trade C. End of day drawdown is 4,500. That's fucking brilliant. Let's go. Let's run the jewels, baby. Oh, I'm so sick right now. It's so annoying. Oh, no. All right, we got 13 minutes, 12 minutes till the market opens, boys. Okay, trade scene. Okie dokie. I think that's all of them. Okay, pending accounts. Okay, account creation is in progress. We got 5 accounts pending creation. Let's go. Tom Casino says, does this guy really win or is it a pump and dump scam? I pump and I dump, baby. It's a pump and dump scam on the NASDAQ. Rips, you say it's the year of the prop trading, but you really think it's plus EV over a cash account? Fuck yeah, dude. For most people, yes. 100%, bro. Yes. 100 million times yes. Because people are, dude, even if you have a great run in the cash account, most people are going to just end up going on tilt one day and losing all of that. They're not going to have account protections in place. And they're just going to lose all of their profit for months if they get there to that point. Most people that are newer traders are not going to know the discipline it takes. Going to the Knights game on Thursday. Who's playing? Max profit target is 3,600. Okay, cool. Thank you so much. It's 40% consistency, right? I mean, today's PA would have fucked me up if I was trading my cash account. I mean, I traded it in 2 funded accounts. You saw what happened. Did not trade well at all. God fucking thing. Jesus. All twisted up. Do you look at volume profiles from the previous week and developing week? Yeah, of course. Do you always trading one contract on 150K? I mean, points gamble? Sure. I would have done a points gamble earlier, but I was too busy sucking dick at trading. My bad. It was a full-time job for me. I felt like Carlos's mom, but with the markets. It's crazy. It was insane. That must be what she feels like. Yeah, dude, I got fucking broken off. That was fucking insane, dude. I still can't believe that. That was me long. Where did you long it? Oh, you know, right here. Fucking like a retard. That was my long. Oh wait, where'd you short it? Right here. Yeah, right there. That's where I shorted it. Where'd you long it? Oh, right here again. And let me guess, you shorted down here? Yep, sure did. Tradeify. I got Tradeify select accounts in my account. So ridiculous, bro. Like, there's some bad trading, and then there's whatever the fuck you'd call what I did this morning. I don't even think that bad is like too nice. Calling that bad trading is like nice. That wasn't bad trading, that was something else. It's fucking the worst. Good Lord. I don't see trade C option at checkout. Huh? What are you talking about? Literally. Look. Make sure I don't show anything here. What are you talking about, dude? You guys are funny. It's that easy. It's that easy. Damn it, I'm blind. You and me both, buddy. You should have seen my trades this morning, but you can't because you're blind. Damn, somebody clipped my trades this morning and sent it to me. You guys want to see this? Somebody just clipped my trading this morning and sent it to me. Oh, you can see where I longed the top. Oh, there's me shorting the bottom. Holy shit, there I go. I longed the top again. Oh, shorted the bottom. Amazing. Incredible. Good job, Ripsy. Way to go, buddy. Fucking killing it, dog. Do you know what size your monitors are? I would think so. I did buy them. 59 inches, or 57 inch, 49 inch, 34 inch. Let's post my trading setup on Instagram, shall we? Okay, hold on a second. 57, 49, 34. Let me go ahead and post that on my Instagram. I think the key today is going to be patience, which I have not shown it a lick of this morning. Been rushing into every single trade. So let's see if I can fix that. We got, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cool. Let's see if we can set these up before the market opens. Right, give me 1 second. Credentials in here. Yeah, please wait a moment while we sync your rhythm. Cool. Amazing. So seamless, bro. I love it. Amazing. Perfect. Dude, TradeC is so sick. I love TradeC. Cool. We're back. Oh, feels good to be back at zero again. Instead of negative $1 billion. Dude, no, I already tried to trade on TradeC in my Lucid Pro accounts, the funded ones, and I fucked it up, man. I'm just not trading well this morning. I'm not gonna make excuses to be like, oh, it's because I'm sick. No, I'm just trading like shit, man. Some days you trade like shit. Just me, man. Some days you just trade like fucking AIDS, brother. Ain't nothing you can do but go to the clinic and get some AIDS medicine. I don't know. The fuck is with these charts? They're ass. Okay. Did TradeC mess up last night? No, dude, I passed again. Everything was great. Everything was great until I clicked the buttons this morning. I was doing fine until I decided to click buttons this morning and just started trading like cheeks. Dude, I think TradeC is way better than Tradeify, of course. Less than 2 minutes till the market opens. 90 seconds to go, boys. All right, 1 minute warning, 1 minute warning. Here we go. Rips, I made 1,502 TPT Pro accounts done for the day. Let's go, dude. What size? Everything's good to go in my accounts. Market looks like it wants to explode here. Let's see what happens. Try our best here. Hopefully, I'm expecting some fake outs and not clean action. So let's see what we can do here on this. 10 seconds. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Markets are open. Wow. A lot of live news today. Hegseth, Trump, some Fed speaker. I can't even remember. Too sick to remember any of this shit right now. Maybe. I don't know about earnings today. I didn't look. Thanks, Anna. What to do here? It's very hard for me to pull the trigger when it's very rinsy. Breakout trader me wants to take this long for the breakout. But I feel like, you know, what we have jolts coming out, I think, today. Like breakout trader me wants to long this, but I'm holding off. Jolts come out in 29 minutes. Market's only been open for 90 seconds. Unbelievable. And we've already round tripped the candle. Yeah, Jolts job openings are coming out in top of the hour, so. This is weird price action again. I mean, we're spending a lot of time up here and not breaking out, so I'm gonna try this short. We're spending a hell of a lot of time up there and we're not breaking out. See if we can break below 400s. Looking for a breakdown below 400s here. like to see some continuation to the downside. It is kind of holding underneath 400s. There we go. Now we're seeing that flush. Okay, I'm gonna take off too. Put my stop right under break even here. If we reject underneath 400, I can add to it again. Nope, stopped out. Okay, cool. Good start. We were hanging out up here and we were not breaking out, so if there's nobody, remember, if we're using auction market theory, and imagine there's an auctioneer up there and he's calling out prices. This is auction theory at its finest. And he's just saying, hey, you know, we're at 30s, let's just say. Anybody at 31s, 32s, 33s, 34s, 35s. Nobody's taking it, okay? Anybody want 29s? Nobody's taking it. 28s, 27s, 26s. And that's what brings that down, is that nobody's interested when we're up here and the auction is active and nobody's taking that. Now, that doesn't mean that we're not gonna break out higher, but it means for that temporary period as a scalper, we wanna look for that activity to come back down. So that was the thesis behind that trade. I'm happy it worked out. First green trade that that I felt confident about, at least. You can't manually override the lockout now. Reverse reversal in full effect here. Driving into a lot of overhead supply. We have news still in 25 minutes here. All you have to do to set up Bookmap is turn off vertical smoothing. That's it. That's all you need. Turn off vertical smoothing and you're done. Okay, back in short here, underneath these 50s. I want to see if we can contain this price action a little bit lower. I'll put my stop slightly above the highs here. I want to see weakness underneath 50s. So watching for that weakness to develop underneath those 50s here. We're currently holding just above 35. See if we can get this down to the point of control. Trailing my stop down into this as well. Beautiful trade into the point of control. That's all I was wanting. Nice trade. Another scalp there. Straight into the point of control. In this market, I feel like it's just wise for me to trade like that versus holding out for bigger moves. Even if it does go and exchange down below 80s, I'm happy with that trade because at least I can feel good about we're hitting a TP target. It's just too, this market is too unpredictable for me to like sit here and try to hold and calculate. I want to try to be more of a sniper in this type of market. Point of control moved down to 405 here. I'm going to try a long out of this area since we are holding again down here. Keep my stop very tight. If we can hold above 405, then I think that we can trade this a little bit higher. So a nice push up. I'm looking for 35s here. Right out. Beautiful. Nice. Clean price action. That's all I want. Just clean, nice price action. ESs are rejecting up here. Below 65. Let's wait though. A lot of green in equities. A lot of green in equities right now. End of month rebalancing is definitely what we're seeing right now in the indices. Very heavily. Dude, I have the chills right. I am so sick, it's unbelievable. I have the fucking chills right now. What is happening? Oh, God, gross. Hate this. Hate being sick. This is so annoying. No, I'm gonna stick with you guys. I'm gonna hang. We're gonna do this together. We're gonna get some good alpha going here. It might be, I'm on penicillin because I went to an urgent care on Sunday and they gave me penicillin, so, because my throat. Hopefully that kicks this thing out. I don't know if getting chills and aches is like a side effect of penicillin or something. Yo, G Growth passed their first alpha eval. Let's go. Give it up for G Growth. Yeah, dude, you know, I've talked to a few people that are sick. It's not just me. Like, a lot of people are sick right now. So it's probably their fucking bullshit Wuhan COVID that they fucking put out. The new fucking strain of COVID that they're fucking throwing out there. Fucking jerk-offs. Love being a fucking test monkey for these people. Get some green juice, ginger shots. Yeah, no, I did pho yesterday. Some nice soup. Bunch of lab rats, dude. Yeah, I know. It feels like it, doesn't it? Yeah, I definitely need some sleep. That's for sure. I'm on 2.5 hours of sleep right now. There's nothing better than being on 2.5 hours of sleep, trading like an absolute asshat, and then having everybody shame you for it. This is the best thing ever. Oh, Lord. I did not get the COVID vaccine, brother. I didn't get a single jab. Not me. I'm not that guy, brother. Nope. Not me. PMI out at 945. Let me see. Is that right? Yes, you're right. Chicago PMI out at 945. Released early for subscribers. What? The new COVID? I got the midnight release of COVID. It's amazing. Oh, PMI. Ha! Funny. Chicago, yeah. I'm the only person in my family that didn't get the jab. The only one. Shit, that's funny. What was trading like during COVID? It's my most profitable period of trading of all time. Literally. I've never made more money in trading than I did during COVID. Antonio says, just smashed out 6K, done for the day. Let's go, baby. Well, I think we got some decent trades so far. I want to wait. Chicago PMI is out in 2 minutes. I mean, equities are screaming right now, except for Google and Apple. And this price action does not show us that. at all. So I'm happy to be laying off right now. Who doesn't love the market flying like a retard? I love it. Yeah, it's great. I mean, look at this. This is what I'm looking at on my other screens right now. Look at Meta. Meta straight up. Tesla straight up. Nvidia straight up. Amazon straight up. Microsoft straight up. So, yeah. And then we have this. Wiggle Dick. Wiggle Dick. The old Wiggle Dick. The old Wiggle Dick. You see, back in my day, the market used to just get a big fat boner. Nowadays, y'all have to deal with the Wiggle Dick. And down. Hey, equities are going straight up. What should we do with our NASDAQ algorithms? Oh, I know. Sell it. Okay. You sure about that? Equities are all going up. No. Trust me on this one. Just sell the NASDAQ. Fucking ridiculous, dude. It's crazy. If you ever want to know what days I have the hardest days with, FOMC, Globex every day, end of month flows, beginning of month flows, end of year flows. I mean, come on, look at this. This is crazy town. I'll tell you what's not doing this. Oh, Google's doing it. I guess Google. NASDAQ now represents Google. Isn't that crazy? Last night's 52.8 versus a 55 expected, so coming in a little bit lower for the Chicago PMI. The market loves it. Hats off to anybody who's making green in these markets. I'm happy that I laid off. I probably would have given back every dollar and a lot more. I probably would have blown my accounts if I'm being honest. Well, I don't know. I can't say that, but yeah. I don't feel very confident in my trading today, so. I blew my alpha funded accounts. I hit max loss on my daily loss limit on my Lucid funded accounts. And the only profit I have is in my brand new Tradeify select account. So, I also hit max daily loss limit on my Apex accounts. Shocker. I know, that first time ever, right? First time it's ever happened to me. It's crazy. Straight up AIDS trading, dude. Rivs, you reckon equities are juicier to trade on Bookmap or no? Like, what's your opinion with Bookmap and equities? I think that, well, Bookmap was created for futures and then equities were an afterthought. I originally used Bookmap on equities. I wasn't using Bookmap for futures when I first used it. I actually had them give me a data feed that wasn't even publicly available that had the ARCA book because they only had, what was it? Nicey and something else. What was the non-ARCA book that NASDAQ stocks traded on? Because they had Nicey and something else. Anyway. But yeah, I used to trade primarily equities. But then I got an ARCA book feed and I was like a fucking wizard. Because nobody had the ARCA book feed. It was fucking amazing. Loved it. ARCA book is responsible for like so much liquidity. So having that was like X-ray vision into the markets. Each little break to the upside is met with a log of selling. Let's trigger some stops soon. Yeah, I mean, I'm like, I want to long this so bad, but I'm fucking terrified, bro. How could I not be? Like, I want to long this so bad, but then it's like, oh, but this might happen out of nowhere for no reason. Okay. I guess the patient trader should wait for a massive correction and then just long the correction, right? I feel like that's what we should do instead of trying to time when the correction is going to be short side. So here's your correction. Let's just try this. See what I'm saying? Like, long in this market, like, it's just gonna have a weird fucking pullback. All right, let's try to time the correction. We're one tweet away from Trump to dump this market. What makes you scary? Yeah. And we missed it. I thought we were gonna at least pull back to like 50s. Whatever. It's fine. Ribs, I had it all lined up. To be honest, in Australia, it's starting to look up in terms of the economy regarding the fuel and interest rates going down. And usually news like markets, the US dollar drops. Gotcha. Multiple W's. It's a wild fucking ride. I've had the COVID brain for the past 6 days. Definitely need a new strain of it. Yeah, dude, it's crazy. I forgot it's February, March. That's when they fucking released this shit. Bill Gates is just sitting back laughing. Dickhead. Hopefully penicillin takes it out. I mean, penicillin's supposed to be strong as fuck, right? Is it COVID or strep? I tested negative for strep, but the doctor gave me penicillin, so I don't know, maybe. I don't know, man. I just want to be healthy. I just want to be fucking healthy, man. Yeah, can I get ivermectin from my, like, can I just go in there? The doctor was so dope, bro. These Vegas doctors are dope. I walked in, there's nobody in there. Like, it was so cool. She was dope. She had like cameras in the corner. She had there's this big black couch. She said, just sit back and relax. Here, I'm just going to inject you with this. No, but for real, she was super nice. Do you think I can go back and be like, hey, let me get the... I have a COVID test in my house. I just haven't used it. I have it from last year because I tested it. And I think holy fucking balls, bro. What is this market, brother? Yo. Fuck. Dude, I'd be like, I would long this, but then I did the same thing back here in a funded account. What the fuck's happening? I did the same thing where we had a spike and then I longed it, went straight fucking down. I want to long this so bad. Crazy candle, dude. End of month rebalance, I guess. Well, they gave me penicillin, dude, so I think penicillin's for viral infections. Brother, what is this? War is over, but war is not over. But we're going to be sending troops, but war is also over. But we're going to strike targets today. Like, what is the fuck is we supposed to mean by that? This market is fucking ballistic, bro. Penicillin is only effective against bacterial. Okay, bacterial. Okay, maybe she saw something in my throat because she shined a flashlight in my throat. She's like, oh, Imagine if we would have just like got that fucking pullback when we were long in our funded and then fucking got that. I would have been so happy. Fucking dingus. Ah. Stop blowing random guys at the bar, then you won't need penicillin. Listen, I don't want to hear about your weekend, brother. You don't got to tell me about what you did this weekend. This weekend, I took my life shopping. It was lovely. So many people waiting for a big drop. It's not going to happen, at least yet. From technical point of view, this bounce is needed. Look at what Trump's news came last night and pump just started. Yeah, I mean, I want to be bullish too, but fuck, they fucked me up. I was bullish and they fucked me up, man. I mean, that wasn't news driven. That's end of month flows. That's rebalancing. Wish I knew, man. Wish I knew, like, it was coming. Would have just been long and stayed long. Although I don't have any funded accounts to trade right now, so it's not like super important. You know? Did you have caving in on that 17K back for the... No, not yet, at least. There is a $17,000 bag that she wants. Didn't cave on it yet. If I would have made money in my funded accounts, maybe today, yeah. I haven't traded the Percy today. What is the end of the month rebalance? Funds are rebalancing their books for the end of the month. Simple as that. Wait, no way? No fucking way. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Let me see. Oh, they got a long fucking way to go. God damn it. Fuck. God, no way to go. My car is actually in BFO right now. Can you guys believe that? My car is literally in BFO as we speak. BFO. Can't believe it. It's on its way, but it's in BFO. Currently in BFO. Hey Rips, I did not know you were sick until you mentioned a little bit ago. Caught my attention. You sound calm as usual. Very fucking high RPM in the live stream. I try to be entertaining, but yeah, I'm low energy right now. Sorry. Fuck, I want to long this so bad. All right, we're gonna long a pullback. Let's be patient. Wait for a pullback. It's gonna go. Yeah, let's just go. Nope, not Oklahoma. BFO, baby. But fuck Ohio. Got a problem. My hands need to lose 500. Yeah. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Easy. Don't trade before the JOLTS report. All right. I'm going to take a leak, actually. Be right back. No, dude, you're fine. Noah, you're fine, dude. Just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. It's very easy to lose $500, dude. Very easy. Just literally, it's the easiest thing in the world, brother. If you want me to do it for you, give me your login. No problem. We'll get you banned right away. All right, let's see. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Actually, we're very close to JOLTS, huh? Dingus Ripsy, man. Right. JOLTS coming up. JOLTS coming up here. $7,200 on the day in TBD. Yeah, dude, lock the fuck out, bro. What are you talking about? TBD, bro? What are you, nuts? Is that TBD, bro? I'm so jealous. Dude, I'm peanut butter and jealous, bro. I wish I made $1 in a funded account today. Fucking retard. Don't trade when you're sick. Don't fucking rush into shit. Like, God, what a retard I am. So frustrating. Overs one, sure. I'll pay it. I'm not even gonna look. Not looking. Boom. Paid it. Not even looking. Let's do this. Okay, go. New one. Okay, 2 minutes, everybody. 2 minute warning till the news. What are we expecting here? Let me tell you. We are expecting 6.89 million. And consumer confidence, we're expecting 87.9. Let's see how it trades out here. Kind of want to trade this in alpha, to be honest. Trying to fucking get some juice going. Get some motion. Let's do this. $90 seconds, champs. Dude, this thing is booling. Here we go. Jolts out in 1 minute. This thing is bowling. This thing is going crazy. 30 seconds. Here we go. I hope the volume doesn't die out at 10. I really don't. We're holding pretty consistent volume except for some spikes. Subtorrents. Here we go. 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Order book is cleaning out. Here we go. Trying along here. It's blasting. It was. Okay. Let's see. Covered. It was blasting off there. So far, kind of sideways on that. All right, let's go. Let's try to get this. There's a lot of overhead liquidity that I think we're going to rip right into. Adding into this pullback. Still fading, still fading. See if we can get this exchange back over 65. There we go, pushing. Looking for that clean connection. Back over 70s. Just want that nice continuous push through 70s here without too much overhead supply. Big rejection at 70s. See if we can get this trading back through those 70s. Right now they're coming a little bit hot and heavy here. Looking for that push through 70s. It's a nice little push through 70s. And then once we clear that area, it's blue skies to 600s. So that's what I'm trying to time here. Still dropping. Okay, looking for that blue sky push through 70s. Looking for that pop. right there. Just do it. God, we just will not let it happen. It's so annoying. Ay, ay, ay. Again. Fun stuff. All right. Back to Tradeify. Let's see if we can time a pullback here. Okay, going for you. Looking for that pop back over those 50s. Continuation into 70s. There we go. Taking that off. The accounts I don't care to. Great, Tradeify select, but just want alpha. Cool. I mean, it's not an easy market, Jarvings. It's just, I mean, it's not an easy market at all. It's all over the place. I would have considered that a strong print on the jobs data, but the market's pulling back now. So it's a tough market, man. Don't beat yourself up. I'm getting creamed too. See if we can trade this down to 480s in the S&Ps at all. I'm short. Nice pull down here. So you can get that connection a little bit lower. Just aiming for the lower end of this volume shelf here. Looking for that connection right below. Cool. Did I make too much? I think I made too much. All right, well, I made too much. I gotta flip contracts, but hey, there we go. Tradeify select, day one in the books. We did something right. How many people are liking the music this morning? I mean, just imagine my vibe. I'm very out of it. Anybody still short? You guys digging it? I'm digging it too. It's like super chill. Yeah, it would be a really boring trading show if I waited this long to take trades. I'm just trying to think. I don't think there's anything I could have done differently. I'm gonna go back and watch my own stream and see what I did wrong. Obviously, over leveraging like a motherfucker, always the biggest problem. But I should have just waited on my funded accounts. I should have just waited, but the look was just so good. You know what I mean? Like the look for me was so good. So, whatever. Don't apologize. No. I'm fine, man. Just trying to chat it with you guys. Not looking for sympathy. No, it's all good. Just trying to chat through it. Excuse me. Hopefully I wake up tomorrow and I just feel like a fucking champ. That'd be the best. Be so happy. So 9,000 times 40%, 3,600. I only have to lose 800 bucks. Ooh. Yeah, dude, the market, like, it's hard for me to not trade when I think that it's going to be a good look. And the fucking war is over thing was like, okay, this is great. And then war stopped being over and then it started up again. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. The problem is, dude, I would lay in the sun. Got a chunk there on that drops pass and eval. Nice. Put 68 bucks in the XFA, which will qualify me. Let's go, Big G. How many payouts lately, bro? It seems like you've been in the pocket. I have to lose because of consistency. I don't have to, but for me, it's just easier for my mind to wrap my head around things. Okay. Hold on. Just want to make sure. Okay, guys, because I traded like shit this morning and because I don't like trading like shit and because I feel bad about it, Alpha is doing a 1 hour flash sale for 25% off. Every single account that you purchase gives you one entry for the trading giveaway, the trading setup giveaway. That's going to be on April 3rd. So they don't, like, it's 10% off for everybody else right now. We're doing 25% off. It's for 1 hour only. It's going to end at 11 hours and 12 minutes. Do I take students? You're in the class right now. Like, this is Q&A, live Q&A. Alpha Trader should be out next week. So 25% off right now. 25% off. And again, you get every single account you buy from today until the 3rd of April, you get an entry into a full-blown computer setup. Chair, computer, monitor, keyboard, mouse, bang. So, there we go. I've been talking with them about this, trying to get them to do this. So, 7th payout since early February. Holy shit, let's go, baby. They may not be huge payouts, but we're trying to build consistency. Like, bro, you're making more than most people make it a full-time job, clicking buttons, you know? The people you're comparing yourself to are probably not real. They're probably bullshitting, you know? What prop did you just buy into? Tradeify? Devin? Put the timestamps on here. Oh, geez, that was an hour ago. My bad. Sorry, I just saw that. My bad. Thanks for all you do, seeing myself size down and be more intentional on entries and exits. Nice. Just again, if you want to know how to trade better, watch the beginning of my stream and do the opposite of what I did. I sized up. I was impulsive in trades. I was stubborn in not taking down trades that were clearly losing trades. So do the exact opposite of everything I did and you'll be on your way. Think about it. Oversizing, impulsivity, stubbornness. What else did I violate? What else did I do wrong this morning? Oversizing, impulsivity, stubbornness. I mean, it was the most calm version of tilt I think I've ever experienced. And like, if you think like, it's like, oh, he doesn't care. Like, dude, those are funded accounts, bro. I can take payouts from those. I'm not stoked on it. Like, it's fucking annoying, dude. I don't feel great about it. I feel like shit about it. And to do it in front of people and then like to have like 10, 15 people be like, ah, fuck you. You suck. You're a piece of shit, bro. You suck. Ha. It's not fun. It's really not fun. Not how I really wanted to start my morning. You know what I mean? Yeah, no clear plan. Like, dude, everything that you could do wrong as a trader, I did wrong. And I did it in funded accounts. It's not like, I don't have an excuse. Like, I absolutely traded like shit. Yeah, dude, YouTube chat was fired up. YouTube chat was just going off, bro. People who have been in for like, watching for like 2 years, totally normal. And then today, like, fuck you, you suck. This is funny. I don't care. Like, dude, I'm all good. Like, I don't care. Like, it's fine. I'm just trying to be transparent. I want to walk you guys through, like, this is what's going on in my mind, you know? Like, I don't want to sit here and be like, dude, I'm the best. I never lose. Like, bro, those were funded accounts. Okay, let's start there. Funded accounts. I absolutely care about how I do in my funded accounts because I get fucking paid out from them, right? I make money if I do well in those accounts. I think it's hilarious because it's a sim environment, but I make money from those. I have to pay to fucking buy those accounts. I have to pay to activate those accounts. Oh, Lucid, I didn't have to pay to activate. But qualified accounts, I think I paid like $800 for activation. Or no, it's $477 bucks? 149 times 3. $447. It's not a lot, but it's still like I look at it as like, I didn't lose $447. I lost the potential of making another $20,000 payout. And it's annoying because, like, dude, if I was patient and had my head on straight, I don't know, maybe I can catch some of this. I feel like in my funded accounts, if I wasn't so impulsive and trading without a plan and being kind of tilty, and obviously, like, I hadn't even really woken up yet. But sometimes that works, you know, sometimes where it's like the news, you get a news counter, you're just like, fuck, I gotta do this, you know, sometimes. So today was not a good showing for me as a professional trader, for sure. Definitely not. But I want to be as real as possible with you guys, right? It does, even though it's $447, it's not about the money. It's about the time that it took to pass the accounts. It's 2 days to pass the alpha. And it's about the potential of what I could have done. And I robbed myself of my potential, right? So it's not about the money that it costs to do it, obviously. It's more about like, okay, you were impulsive, you did stupid shit. If you wouldn't have done that, you would have been 1 day closer to your payout because it's 5 trading days to a payout on alpha. Dude, that's 20 grand. 20 grand is still 20 grand or whatever I would have got. Who knows, right? Whoop raises 507. Oh, wow. Cool. 575 million. Which platform am I using on Alpha? Tradeify. Tradeify. 25% off ends in less than an hour, guys. Been a while since I've traded. Been in Texas. Secured a $250,000 project. Hope you're doing well, homie G. Been catching parts of your stream when I can, bro. Thanks for being here, HYPOTHETICAL. Congratulations on securing that deal, brother. Nice work. Who won overs or unders? You tell me, and I'll pay it. Somebody tell me. Me personally, I trade the advanced accounts. They're more expensive, but I like them. Okay, overs. There you go. Paid the overs. All right, let's do another one here. Let's do this. All right, 5 minutes for the next prediction. Overs have been paid. You guys gotta stop full porting your points, because then you'll do what I did with my funded accounts this morning. Trade like a retard, get fucking financially unrewarded like a retard. I'm pretty new to this and have only made 300 on my 50K account. Should I call it a day? Yes. You just beat 95% of traders. And if you don't believe me, you'd be crazy. 95% of retail traders lose. It's a lot. Worst part about prop is the time wasted. For me personally, yeah, that's what I hate the most. The most tilting thing about me for like TPT, fuck, I forgot to buy TPT accounts this morning. God damn it. Oh, actually, you know what? Fine. Happy that I didn't. Yeah, for me specifically, the TPT accounts, it cost me a week and I fucked those up. Dude, man, this is not my week, is it? Fuck. It's only Tuesday and I'm like trashing myself. It ain't my week this week, brother. Somebody was asking me which alpha accounts I use. I use the advanced accounts. I think either the advanced accounts or the zero accounts are the ones to go for. So, do whatever you wish. Yeah, I hit daily loss limit on Apex as well. Apex, Lucid, funded, Alpha funded. So Apex evals. I've blown multiple Alpha evals since too. So not great, not great. Yo, Nick, what's up, buddy? Haven't seen you in a minute. Oops, I hate how accurate I am with my paper trading, but when I pass my evals, I instantly blow them, and I know exactly what my problem is. I close my winning trades early, and I hold on my losing trades all the way to my stop loss. Any advice? So, okay, new rule. Easy fix, actually. New rule. Literally, do not exit your trades. Only exit your trades by trailing your stop behind your trades. And then the skill set will be move your stop loss very slowly. That way, you can never pull yourself out of a winning trade, but you can only stop yourself out. So do that from now on. That way, you can't pull yourself out of trade. You must stop out. Fair? Yeah, I know, Mag 7s. It's so crazy watching the NQ. Finally got my wins to be greater than my losses. W that, and thanks to Tradesy. Let's go, Alejandro. Big dubs for Alejandro. 3-bar trail, I like that, Pete. Can't do that shit with IBKR, really? What do you mean? Stone says, still never passed an eval. Been within $40 from passing a pot. That might need to learn to be happy with profit, no rushing, always so. Brother, it's so common. Do not beat yourself up for that. It's so fucking common in the space, dude. It's so common to do that. there's a part that needs to change. Like, dude, I fucking blew my shot at funded accounts this morning. I can't stop talking about it. Like, it happens, dude. It happens. Our emotions can get the best of us. Like, the smart trader would have not traded immediately after that. I wouldn't have been like, oh, I got my Lucid Pro accounts, let me just get into this and like blindly, like, just stupid shit, bro. We do stupid things. We're human. It will get better. It will get better. It will get better, but then the challenge is maintaining that, right? You have to maintain that. Best way to pass my Alpha 150s? I go for 6K a day, brother. I go for 6K a day, sometimes 6K a trade. What do you suggest for beginners just starting after paper trading for 3 months? To be honest with you, trading micros and going through, go to propfirms.gg, take the quiz. But I mean, there's so many good options right now. It depends. What is your budget? Let's start there. What is your budget for an account right now? What are you looking to spend? Let's start there. Yep, 90% off Apex right now. Let me know your budget. I have not tried Deep Chart now. Paper trading has this cool trick where you can just reset the balance whatever you want. I just can't take a payout. It's funny. Your budget is $4,000, brother. That's fucking. You have the world. You do anything you want. $4,000 in fucking prop firm budget is insane. Okay. Instead of having a $4,000 budget, I want you to have a $500 per month budget. So that gives you 8 months of runway. Okay, $500 per month gives you 8 months of runway with a $4,000 investment. I want you to cap yourself at $500 of spend in prop firms a month. Please buy the cheapest accounts that you can from either Tradeify, Lucid, Apex, TPT, or Alpha. Start with one account, trade 1 to 3 micros, and fucking relax. Don't think about payouts. Don't think about anything. Just think about, like, I want to get good winning trades. Don't even think about your profit targets. Just be like, I want to put up some good winning trades. And that's it. That's all I want you to do. That's all I want you to do. Don't worry about, I'm getting paid out, I'm passing accounts, this and that. Because you're going from the graduation step of going from a paper trading account to now you're into a paper trading account with potential rewards. And just focus on, I don't even want you to look at your profit targets. Just be like, okay, I'm going to trade 1 to 3 micros. I'm going to trade the smallest account, the lowest cost. I'm just going to take it as slow as possible. Just take really neat, nice trades. That's it. Because if you do anything otherwise, what you're going to do is you're going to blow that $4,000 faster than you know what to do with yourself. And then maybe you're not going to have control of your own mind. And then maybe you start going, okay, well, I'm 4,000 into this. Fuck it. Let me put another 500 on the credit card. And now we're in a huge fucking world of hurt. Huge fucking world of hurt. Right? So take my advice, budget $500 for your first month and literally try to undercut your spending. Undercut your spending and like spend as little as possible. Trips, I've been watching you since Top Step. I know you don't trade micros, but the 25K Tradeify account, how many micros can you trade? Let me check. $25K. Which one? Which one? Okay, they're all the same. 10 micros, 10 micros. You can trade 10 micros in Select, Lightning, Funded, or Growth. How do we get Trade C and Tradeify? You select under platform, it says Tradeivate, Wealth Charts, Rhythmic/Trade C. Select Rhythmic/Trade C. When you can take a payout, pay yourself back, do it immediately. 100% yes. 100% yes. For the extra $15, is there any reason to not buy advance? If you're asking me, I think the $15 more to spend for the Alpha advanced accounts is worth it, but keep in mind there is an activation fee. And the other downside, LRAP, is that you can only trade 3 accounts. But again, your max payout is $15,000 per account. That's $45,000. After they're split, it's $40,500. So if you run pure in those things and you make 30K per account, which is $90,000, you can take a $40,500 payout. That is fucking crazy, brother. In 5 trading days, there's no consistency. And this is the type of market where you can get those fucking trades if you're on the right side of them. So, do whatever you want, but like I always look for the bigger bread, you know? I'll do that. Yeah, just again, when I say have a $500 budget per month, I want your goal of that $500 budget to be at the end of the month. You look at it and you're like, wow, I only spent $125 this month or $185 this month. I don't want you to be like, all right, week 1, let's go, $500 in. I don't want you to do that. Trading is a slow burn game. The slower you progress in trading, the better you will perform. If you try to be like, all right, fuck it, 3 months in, paper trading, let's go, funded accounts, bang, bang, bang. That $4,000 is gone, brother. Like, I want you to have a $500 a month budget, but it's like an emergency budget. I want you to really be spending like less than $250 a month to start. Because in all reality, I'm not hating on you, but I just don't think payouts are going to be coming anytime soon. But they shouldn't. Because if they are, it seems to me like you're pressing too hard. You know? So just relax. Be expecting, like, your mindset should be like, I'm not ready to get payouts yet. I'm not expecting payouts, but like, if they come, they come type shit. You know? It's all about being excuse me, relax, baby. Tradeify, why is the real-time dashboard not working? What the hell? I thought they're supposed to have a real-time dashboard now. Motherfuckers. When using the Tradeify trade copier, how do you add stops? You can't. They're mental stops, bro. It's very difficult. It's very cumbersome. Very cumbersome. I use mental stops, which is not great. I do actually put in real stops from time to time, but in all reality, it's a lot of it's a lot of mental stuff. Do we take out this 80? I mean, this market is just not. The market makers have had my number today. I'm probably not the right person to ask for trading advice right now. Some days I got it. Some days I don't. You know? Lingo says, currently I'm at a Costco getting my truck unloaded while I trade today. Let me guess, somebody's unloading it for you because you made $7,200 today. Wait, Lingo, you never told me. Did you make $7,200 at a TPT Pro account today? You never told me this. You're fucking insane, brother. Dude, take that payout. Oh, wait. Did you take the payout before, like I told you to? And you were working with only $2,000 worth of drawdown, right? Dude, you are a fucking star, bro. Yo, give it up for Lingle. You make $7,200 with a $2,000 drawdown. You're a fucking star, bro. Holy shit, bro. You are a fucking star, dude. God bless, bro. Holy shit, bro. $7,200. So what do you get on that? $7,200. Bro, you're getting $5,700 of the face, bro. I'm so peanut butter and jealous. That's insane, dude. Congrats. That's fucking sick. That's a shit ton of money, bro. I mean, that's more than most people make in a month, bro. You made that in a fucking day. Try to keep that perspective in mind. Like, literally, try to keep that perspective in mind. Like, that's a fuck ton of money, bro, to make in a single session. In a fucking morning. You worked for fucking less than 5 hours today, I'm assuming. Drop a W if you're jealous of Lingo in chat. Hold on. Let me do it. First one. Yeah, I'm dropping a W. I'm jealous as fuck, bro. Wish I could withdraw $5,700 a day to my face. Fuck. Do I always trade the 150K accounts? Yes, except for TPT. TPT, I trade the 50Ks because of the drawdown. I haven't really given the 150Ks a real shot or a real chance, but I feel like getting out of the $2,000 drawdown is a lot easier than getting out of a, $4,500 drawdown, personally. You know? No, I'm not jealous in a bad way. I'm like fucking. I wish I was in your shoes. No. I'm not angrily jealous. I'm like, fuck yeah, let's go. I'm so stoked to see that. Like, I wish I could trade as well as you did today, type shit. You know, I'm not like, man, fuck that guy, dude. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Maybe is jealous the wrong word? I'm Myron. Right? I'm Myron. I don't mean it in the way that I'm so stoked for you, brother. Envious? No, envy seems terrible. Envy is like anger. Bro, you still got 6380. Who cares when most are broken losing? What do you mean? Where did I get 6380? I didn't make any money today, brother. I made evaluation money. I didn't make any money today. We're talking about somebody in Kick Chat right now. Crushed it. Yeah. No, I'm inspired. Like, I'm so stoked. I love that somebody in our community crushed it like that. That is a tremendous amount of money to be making. It's just so stoked. I'm so happy for him. I think something very useful prop platforms should implement is max contracts position size. They all have that. Yeah, they all have that. Are you saying like manually adjust it? You can do that, I think, in Tradeify, I'm pretty sure. Maybe you could do Trade See. Let me see. Let me see. Settings. Risk settings. No. I don't see it, no. I mean, you just got to tell your finger to not click the button, brother. Oh, we got 4 ones. Isn't that the Angels number? 1111. Channel points over. Do I pay? Oh, it's not even time yet. Where's the best play to trade TPT accounts? TradingView? Do not, dude. TradingView is terrible for props, bro. I mean, if you're happy with TradingView for props, go for it. But it's so slow. Reluctantly, I say that the best one is Tradeify. Alpha Link is bad? What do you mean? Works for me. Worked for me perfectly. I had 666 profit yesterday. Didn't think anything of it. Almost blew the fund today. Oh my god. Is it the unders? Yeah, it's the unders. Wasn't even close. Let's do another one. I'm so tired. All right, we will gamble in a little bit. Let's do just a quick one, a 1 minute. A really quick one, a 1 minute prediction here. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I'm sorry for my performance on the first few trades today, champs. I'm sorry. I'll do better next time. I'll do better. Some of the worst trading I've had lately. I mean, outside of Globex is really bad, but yeah. Your finger is the most degen part of my body. Your wife must love that. I was about to click a button in Trade See and short this, and I was like, wait a second. I don't need to. Let me flip contracts right now, right? Boing, 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 boing. I need to do more than that. Hold on. Let me do 5 contracts in that. Fuck it, 10. Boing, boing. Oh, that's a lot. Hold on. Okay, go down to 3. 3. Okay, cool. Now we're down to 1. Boink. Hey, there we go. We're good. Problem solved. We're the greatest. All right, so we're done on, I'm gonna lock these. Bang. All day, bang, locked. Boom. Go Ripsy. We did one thing right today, boys and girls. Can't see the trade. I'm not in a trade. I locked out. I was just flipping contracts, stacked up. I was just flipping contracts to bring my profit down. That's all. It was just literally, I was trying to lose money on those trades. I'm not gonna. Let me show you guys how to lose some money. I only did that at the beginning of the stream. Don't worry. So retarded. Oh, by the way, big news. Big news, big news. Look at this. I mean, big news. Nobody's really going to care, I guess. But I care. I care. Look at this. Bam. Look at that. On YouTube right now. Almost at 100K, baby. Isn't that cool? Almost at 100K subs on YouTube, baby. Let's go. I'm stoked. Active book map. Oh yeah, I do have my alpha accounts to trade, but do I want to trade them right now? Let's see. Isn't 100K just a silver play button? I don't think I get the gold play button is at 1 million. So I think I get. I've never had a YouTube plaque before, but all we need is 2,777 people. No, do not. Please don't do that. No, I don't want fake followers. Please do not do fake followers. Please do not. Don't. Silver play button. Yeah, gold is 1 million. RGC issued a warning against 18 American technology companies. Really? Oh wait, no. Iran's supreme leader Khamenei is in Iran, although is refusing to make public appearances. I mean, it's hard to make public appearances when you're 6 feet under, right? Isn't it hard to be on TV when you're underground, 6 feet? Or is that? He's totally alive. Moonboy, you just woke up? Well, you missed the wildest shit ever on a fucking Tuesday. Oh, the new one, that's right. Going to unsub and resub to help the numbers. God bless, thank you. I don't think that's how it works, but thank you. Easy if you take an iPad with you. Oh, this is dope. I can actually see where my car is. Look at this. That's terrible blooming. What the fuck? Can you not focus, you piece of garbs? Alright, let me try to turn brightness down. That's ridiculous. There we go. Look at it. That's my car in real time, traveling. Isn't that cool? It's on a truck right now. It's on a truck. That's so dope. So excited. I rarely get excited for new cars, but I am fucking over the moon for this one, boys. Like, over the moon. Rips, 1 TBT Pro reset or 5 Lucid Pro 50K evals? Oh, bro, dude. 5 Lucid Pro 50K evals all day. Are you kidding? 5 Lucid Pro 50K evals all fucking day, bro. I still have the other SF90. It's in my garage right now. I'm trading it. I'm gonna take my current SF90. They're gonna pick that up, and then they drop off the new SF90. I'm not keeping, dude. I'm not keeping both. That would be so pointless. It'd be so fucking pointless. Would I ever get a Hennessy car? For sure, dude. For sure. Hennessy's are dope. You want to see a picture of it, Steven? It's like, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't even get excited about shit anymore. Like, this is like real deal excitement. I didn't think I was capable to be this excited about something, but here I am. Will you ever get a Tesla? I've never actually owned a Tesla, actually. This is the last picture that I have from it, basically before being loaded onto the truck. Oh, it's so fucking gorgeous, dude. Sorry, I keep showing it, but I'm in love with this thing, dude. So fucking dope. Bang. 1,001 horsepower, baby. I kind of, if these rims in the back are like deep dish and like deep set, I don't know. I might keep these rims. They look kind of fucking fire to me. I don't know. I'm still undecided. Pictures are tax deductible. Yes, it's all-wheel drive, yes. It's the SF90 Spider. How many speeding tickets do you have? I've only had one ticket, but they got it erased because Nevada's fucking goated, dude. Nevada's just so fucking clean with it. All right. Let's see if we can massage this a little bit lower. We're at that point. Okay. I'm gonna try shorts here, actually. Underneath 70s. Underneath 70s in the S&P. So let's see. We're settling in a little smidge here. I'm in nothing yet. I want to see rejection up here towards 500. Let's see. Okay, getting into that now. Currently in short. Looking for this to take out 75 to the downside here. Nice move. See if we can get this to break through those 75s on the low side here. Watching for that 75 break. Going full size here for that 75 snap. Beautiful blow into those 70s. Let's see if we can get this. Can we target 63 quarters? Let's see. Let's get down to 63 quarters here. We should be able to because there's not a lot of traffic in the way. We should just flush right to 63 quarters. Let's see. Not a lot of traffic in the way. You would think. Oh boy. Keep running it, baby. We have a player at 65 evens, but if we snap that player at 65 evens, we should be able to run this straight down. None like this. That was the harshest rejection so far, so I gotta be cautious about this. Fuck. That was literally the harshest rejection that we've seen on this entire pull down. We have impeccable timing today, I will say that. We have impeccable timing on all of our trades. Is it so much of a crime to just get one trade where we actually get follow through and not the harshest rejection on the pullback? Son of a gun. Oh boy. It's been rough, man. I don't know what to tell you. It's been rough. All right, at least we didn't get stopped out, right? Incredible. Is it really going to do the thing we want it to do now? Is it going to play nice with us? We've nailed every single consolidation of the bigger moves today. It's crazy. Every single consolidation we have nailed. This thing is so weak too. It's like, God, why do we get the worst bounces on these things? There we go. Breakthrough in 63 quarters. Just go. Go right there, you fucker. Why aren't you breaking 65s? Go right there, right there, right there. Just a little fucking taster's choice. Just a little taster's choice right there. I'm being such a dick for a tick, guys. I really am. Being such a dick for a tick here. If it double rejects 70s, I'm going to be fucking flabbergasted. 65s are still holding the S&Ps. You got to be joking me. Come on, guys. Not like this. And 63 quarters is all we need. It's right there. It's right there. It's literally, thank you, God. Unbelievable. Do I call it? Isn't that funny though? We get this smooth downtrend and then we find the biggest rejection of the entire downtrend. I mean, given we had this, but I'm talking about this downtrend right here. It's just, honestly, it's comical at some level, right? It's comical. It's truly comical. Yeah, now, like perfect, right? Now it's just the most beautiful unwind you've ever seen in your life. We're going for those 60s to the downside right now. Pretty crazy, huh? Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. I should try to make a little bit more, huh? Okay, there. That's good. I was like, I just want to snipe a little bit more. Okay. All right. Pass those tomorrow. Pay the blows? Okay. Do 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 do. All right, let's do slot scammer. All right. Well, the second half of the stream went well. I mean, we almost did the thing that we've been doing, which literally, where was it that we almost got popped out? Which candle was it? The 104060. This fucker, this almost destroyed us. This fucking bullshit. And it's just great. We haven't had anything close to that since. I just love it. It's all good. Targeting 63.25 because if you look left, it's where we had most of that kerfuffle right there. All right, anybody have any questions on YouTube before we cut the YouTube stream and go over to Kick? We made money in evaluations today. We blew one of our pro accounts, or one of our funded accounts. Beautiful clean short here. I just don't have anything I can trade. There's nothing left for me to trade. I've made max profit and everything, so I have nothing left to trade. Otherwise, I'd be trading. I would be short the fucking shit out of this. Like if I'm TBT Pro, I'd be so short right now, it wouldn't be funny. You cannot get Rip's key levels on Trade C yet. Oh, can you explain how the heat map thing works? Go on my YouTube video and search book map, or YouTube channel and search book map. Man, it's always the sickest moves when we don't have a funded account. It's so annoying. God, imagine this in alpha funded. I would have fucking made so much. We're gonna gamble, Rick. We're gonna gamble on stake. How's longs looking right now? Not good, brother. Not good. Longs are valid maybe at 360. Maybe. There's two areas really. 405 and 360. Xbox 360. Who made money in alpha today? Who took advantage of the sale? The sale's almost over. Who took advantage? Any other questions on YouTube, guys? Any questions before I go? Beautiful freaking short, dude. Nice, JSTOR's up 100 points. Beautiful, bro. What was the sale? It's a 25% off flash sale. It ends in 20 minutes. Make model of my main large. I have 2 large curve monitors. They're both Samsung 47 or 49 inch and 57 inch. Bought Tradeify with a discount today, first day, lightning up 700. Let's go, baby. Nice work, David. Nice work, buddy. What else, boys? What else? If you want to keep watching, I stream live on Kick. I'm currently live on there. Kick.com/rips. Kick.com/rips. YouTubers, I will be back for a Globex stream. Hopefully, I'll be feeling better. I was feeling better yesterday, but not really. But yeah, hopefully we'll feel better, and we'll be able to have a fun Globex stream. Hopefully, we can pass these alpha on the Apex or on the Globex stream. I can't even think. My brain is so mangled. This is the key level I was talking about, 405. We got to bounce there, right? Bounce at 405. I think we're going to shutter this down. If we can get through this, we will trade probably 360. So. All right, homies. I'll be back for Globex. Take care. Thanks for tuning in on YouTube. I'll see you guys later. Take care.